In today's video, I'm going to show you a website that is having a crazy discount up to 62% off on genuine software. It's called Keysfan.com, and it's a website that sells digital keys for Windows, Office, and many other popular software. You might be wondering how Keysfan.com can offer such low prices, and if it's safe and reliable to buy from them. Well, in this video, I'm going to answer all those questions and more, and I'm going to walk you through the whole process of buying and activating your keys from Keysfan.com. So if you're looking for a way to save money and time on buying digital products, you don't want to miss this video. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to go to Keysfan.com, which is the official website of the company. You can also click on the link in the description below, which will take you directly to their Happy New Year sale page. Once you're there, you'll see a banner that says Happy New Year 2024, sale crazy discount up to 62% off. You'll also see a menu bar on the top where you can browse by category, such as Windows OS, Office for Mac, download tools, system tools, and more. You can also change the language of the website by clicking on the flag icon on the top right corner and choose from several options such as English, Espanol, Portuguese, French, and more. The next thing you need to do is to find the product that you want to buy. You can either use the search bar to type in the name of the software that you're looking for, or you can browse by category, platform, genre, or popularity. For example, if you want to buy Windows 11 Pro, you can either search for it in the search bar, or you can go to the category of Windows OS and then select Windows 11. You'll see a list of products that match your criteria, and you can compare the prices, ratings, and availability of each one. Once you've found the product that you want to buy, you can click on it to see more details, such as the description, the system requirements, the activation method, and the customer reviews. You can also see some screenshots or videos of the product and some related products that you might be interested in. If you have any questions or doubts about the product, you can also contact the customer service via email or live chat, and they will respond quickly and professionally. If you're satisfied with the product, you can add it to your cart by clicking on the Buy Now button. You'll see a pop-up window that shows you the summary of your order and the total price. You can also apply a coupon code LAU50 or LAU62 and get an extra discount. To proceed to the checkout, you need to create an account or log in if you already have one. Creating an account is very easy and fast, and it will allow you to access your keys and order history from your dashboard. After you've logged in, you'll be redirected to the payment page, where you can choose your preferred payment method and complete the transaction. Keysfan.com accepts various payment methods, such as PayPal, credit card, Skrill, and Bitcoin, and it uses secure encryption to protect your data and transactions. You'll receive an email with your key and instructions on how to activate it within minutes. You can also access your key and order history from your account dashboard. The last thing you need to do is to activate your key and enjoy your product. The activation process may vary depending on the product, but it's usually very simple and straightforward. For example, if you bought Windows 11 Pro, you just need to go to the Settings app, click on Update and Security, then Activation, then change Product Key, and then enter your key. Your Windows 11 Pro will be activated and ready to use. You can also check out the detailed instructions that Keysfan.com provides for each product, and follow them step by step. And that's it, guys. That's how you use Keysfan.com to buy digital keys for software at very low prices. I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and I hope you give Keysfan.com a try. They have a huge selection of products, a fast and easy process, and a 100% money-back guarantee. They also have a Happy New Year sale going on right now, where you can get up to 62% off on many products. So don't miss this opportunity and grab your keys today. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of Keysfan.com and what products you bought or want to buy from them. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos, where I review more websites and apps for getting awesome deals on digital products. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.